Fabian. I'm out here in Ohio. Today I'm going to be doing a review video for tree stuff. I'm going to be talking about the Arbortec Mamba 70-liter bag. I think it's like dry kit or something like that, but I believe it's the Mamba Arbortec bag. This is the 70-liter. I've been using this bag for a few months now. I've been liking it. I was using the Notch Pro Access bag. I like that bag a lot. Very well organized in that bag. This one is pretty nice. It's got a pocket here in the front, which I keep my like little small rig and pulley in. It's got some gear loops here for carabiners or whatever else you want to hang on the outside. It's got these clips here. It does come with like backpack straps, so you can like have backpack straps and wear this on your back. To me, it's not comfortable. I think it would have been better if they took these and put them on the bottom, because then you have this flat surface where, as in here, I have my saddle right here, so when it's on my back, it's just not comfortable. But I mean, you could use it for other stuff, and you could find a way to make it comfortable, so maybe that's why they designed it. They probably didn't design it for this, maybe, in my opinion. It's got these straps here, so say if you got your spikes, you can put your spikes on there, clip this, and tighten them down, and, you know, I carry it on my shoulder, just with the shoulder strap, so you can have your spikes here and have those straps and keep it all together. I'll open it up, kind of show you everything that I keep inside of it. It's real nice. It does keep everything dry. It's, you know, this real durable, like, leather or plastic, like, type material. I don't really know what it is, but it's really durable. But in here, I just got, like, an extra small rope, a couple extra slings, a prusik, some extra chainsaw lanyards. Have my saddle in here with all my stuff on it that I climb with. It's got this little extra pocket here for just little tools. I just have just a little extra rope cam right there. I've got my friction saver in here. Got my throw ball. And then there's a side pocket here, which I keep just a steel core lanyard in there. And then it's got another pocket over here as well. So there's plenty of space in here to store stuff. I like it a lot. I keep my other gear in a different, like my actual smaller gear, I keep it all in a different bag, but for the majority of the main stuff, I just throw it in there. Stays pretty well kept and dry, and it works good. I like it. Like I said, the only thing I wish is that they would put these straps on the bottom so that you can wear it on your back with the flat spot. That is the only thing I think that they should change on it, or if they come up with a new bag, just to think about where they put the backpack straps.